What's up, guys? Welcome to WrapSesh.
Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty. This week we are showcasing a custom overwrap fantastic project, the Punisher Mopar.
Yeah.
Yep. So if you guys remember a few episodes ago actually, we did a custom partial print cut design. We teamed up with Curvaceous Wraps and a local business owner, and we completely transformed his green Mopar and gave him this super custom Punisher design.
Which was hand-drawn.
Yes, by Christina, my rap bestie. So he's been going to a lot of shows. We saw him at a show. He has his hood up and he's got all this cool lighting in there and all this hydro dip stuff. Yeah. And you know, things and stuff. He's got his interiors open. So I'm like, like if you got your hood open, we need to do an underhood, one, and we need to do your interior stuff. And he's like, game on, take my money. So we did. We did, of course. So we teamed up once again with Curvaceous Wraps, and we had her create another custom Punisher design for underneath the hood.
And this one was in color.
This one was in color. Actually, it was one of the original renderings, but he chose the black and white version for his car. Yeah. So we actually recycled something she made for him as a choice. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
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 Anyways, back on track. We created this custom graphic with Curvaceous Wraps. We actually took the graphic, or her image, and added in a brick kind of background, which I actually think was a really, really good choice.
It worked.
And then we kind of made the whole print fade into his like green paint, so it looked like it was like painted on there.
Yeah, that was actually really nice that it actually faded to green, because then you don't have to worry about a hard line.
Yeah.
Like it was just kind of like
it faded into his paint.
Yeah.
We strategize these things. Sometimes they come to us last minute, but they work. So we printed on Avery 1105 EZRS, one of my favorite go-tos, on our Muto 1682 SR eco-solvent printer. And we did a gloss laminate, made it look super nice, just like wet paint. And then we basically took off the hood, set it on our Innovative Tools X stand, prepped our surface and everything, and we just started flaying. Check it out. We hope you guys enjoy.
We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes seen, I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I know you get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby. Can we see this as a lesson? Then maybe we should open up. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. 'cause I wanna stay. We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the flames getting higher. You hear when I me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk.
So, cool little side story. We pulled out our interior dash pieces. Me and Mike wrapped them. We actually had our in-house designer, Soko, or Cassie, design the Punisher interior print, and we wrapped those all up. And the next day, we had them out on the table, and one of our installers walked up, and he's like, oh man, we're covering this awesome hydro dip. It was already wrapped.
That was one of my installers.
And one of our installers that works with us that was like, oh, that's a wrap? So that was pretty cool. Overall, the project turned out absolutely amazing. We actually were able to get some photos over by another local business, and they have like a tank. So we got some really, really neat shots there.
It's a really cool M1A1 St. Abrams tank, and it's sweet.
It's spicy. And our customer picked up his car, and then like literally that weekend, he went to the Good Guys show.
Yeah.
And within like an hour, he got selected to go in like the winner's circle. And then I think he won an award for like best Mopar or something.
The best modern muscle?
Best modern
Something
muscle,
like that.
yeah. So first week out, won a trophy, which was much deserved. It just looked absolutely amazing. Really finished the car now that he's showing it with it up.
Once you do like the outside and the inside, and then you throw like another.
And he's got his lighting, and it's got a nice engine. Yeah,
And then he threw bags on it, so it sits on the
pretty
floor.
nice.
Yeah.
So shout out to our customers for being just so freaking awesome.
They're cool.
They're cool, and they allow us to be cool. So, we hope you guys enjoyed our episode this week. If you want to go all above and beyond and overwrap fantastic, reach out to us for a quote at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Vinyl Vixen Wraps and WrapSeshAZ. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the WrapSesh vibe. And we'll see you next week. Backwards train. Don't trip. There's things. There's stuff.
Oh, steamer. Steamer. There's a steamer.
So many obstacles. So I don't know.